Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful wall hanging ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so you enjoyed this video. So these are very stunning, these are very unique and very beautiful wall hanging ideas for you guys. These are very unique and super incredible ideas for you guys. And you guys must share this video with your friends and with your family members. So viewers, take care. And remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very amazing, these are very stunning and very beautiful collection for you guys. So viewers, these are very amazing and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very amazing, these are very unique and super incredible handmade collection for you guys.